I am at a crypto exchange. See, USDT is written here. USDT. This is Abhinandan. There's a very nice photo. They are putting it like, what is that? Like a God's photo. But see this word USDT. Let me go out. Okay. Here, this is one more place. BTC, USDT. I came over here just to check. Today is December 8th, 2025. Okay, I wanted to take some $500, exchange 500 USDT to local cash for paying for the rent of the hotel place where I'm staying. So I came little early because they close by 6 o'clock. This is Abhinandan. Okay, so what is my purpose of this video is just understand the purpose. It's not the showing the place. I have seen people going and connecting with businesses where they start with $1,000. They are all scams. Ask Abhinandan before. Okay, there are people who sent me $1,000 starting amount. I tell people start with $55, around $55 or about 4,811 rupees. Abhinandan here once again. I was designing some Spanish website. So one side the head started paining. So I thought I'll go tomorrow for a crypto exchange. But I thought today only let me come here and check it. He's charging little 2% more. Usually there it is 5%. But I thought let me come here as I'm talking. My talk is very important. Though you may be seeing the scenery, the talk is very important. And let me anyhow just show once. Okay. So what I want to say is that speak to Abhinandan first. Don't go join some fake companies. I don't want to name them, but they start with $1,000, calling Royal, calling a decentralized bank. If it is a company, they will never pay you ROI. That is all pump and dump. You don't know that. I have studied a lot. There is one scamster from California, Saji. He had done FinTalk, Mavi, Global, and lot more. For $55, he vanished. When I was in Miami, he spoke and vanished. I'll go later inside. But this is a daytime I've come again, once again, Abhinandan here. This is at Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz, Bolivia. I think this is the first time I came early because I wanted to ask over there. But it's little 2% more. I'll go to my own place, which is at Ecup Petrol. Ecup Petrol. That is a posh locality in Santa Cruz. It's called Ecup Petrol. So I have already done the videos over there where I've exchanged. It is there on Facebook or on other video. You can ask me that. So I have seen people in India. They will go join fake companies, paying $500, $1,000. They are all pump and dump. They will say they will take USDT and they will talk about some other coin what they are going to have, and they'll increase the price. See all that on coin market cap, coming on coin, everything is fake. And after that they will make their money. The owners of the company, people will make their money. People like Saji, there are some people, okay, they will make their money. And you who has put $500 and thinking you are going to get a return on investment, ROI 1% per day, 2% per day, all those things and all, when you cannot refer, when you don't refer. See, people will tell me, Abhinandan, your business of $55 is, I have to refer people. Yes, referral affiliate is the best business. It is the best. It may be difficult, but it's best. You won't lose money. Let me tell you that categorically. I'm somewhere this side. Yesterday I sat here and took a photo. So I just came this side to show you in daytime. He is some very prominent person. Okay, yesterday I took one photo over here. So what I'm trying to say is, contact and speak Abhinandan. I have many businesses and I love studying businesses. But the best business to start and learn skill. You are going to get an offer. I'm going to give you your own website, your own video response website, your own video response website, responsive website. Okay, video responsive website. So everyone won't join a referral business like people do Amazon affiliate, Flipkart affiliate. Affiliate business is the best business, and what I'm talking is not a company, has no owner. So there are some stupid people who say, oh, then it is fake. Bitcoin has no owner, Bitcoin has no office, Bitcoin has no admin, Bitcoin has no support. Then why are top 20 banks of America, top 20 banks of America put money in Bitcoin? Okay? So why Donald Trump, why our USA government created a reserve for Bitcoin? So there are always stupid people who will tell you something and they will vanish. I just had an interaction with one person. They're all fake people. They create again a group and again they come. They tell people, they create a hype, fake cars, fake meetings and all. And you from $1,000 will pump up $5,000, $10,000 and you'll vanish. They'll vanish. You will never make money. I am telling you, start with $55, learn the skills. You'll get a free website. And once you achieve $4,000, I'll give you a trip to Malaysia. About $10,000 a trip to China. It is very essential once you visit China. I'll tell you why. You can buy a lot of gadgets which you'll never get in India. They'll be more expensive. Okay, 2 or 3, 4 laptops for you and your family members, 2 or 3 tab, very powerful mobile. So once visiting Shenzhen is very good for you. Then what you can do is, this is Abhinandan. While I'm showing the place, I am recording and talking something useful. But you should be confident to speak to Abhinandan. My Facebook page is there from last 18 years. Or 16 years. My mobile number is there from last 18 years. This is the first time I've come early because I came to the crypto over there at that currency. So I thought let me make one video recording because today also someone, they won't have confidence to speak. Abhinandan has confidence to speak. So there will be one flea market over there. I'll just go inside. Later I'll go to the inside the church. So talk and speak to Abhinandan. Don't have a mental block. In 5 minutes you did not understand, or 10 minutes of this introductory or a trailer video you won't understand. You have to watch a video for 2 hours time. And there are people, stupid people who will tell, you know what, oh, I don't have time for 2 hours. How can they make money when they cannot get educated in 2 hours time? Okay? They are not making money, they are broke. But they'll say they don't have time for 2 hours. So what I want is this on Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday. Okay. On Saturday, Sunday, a lot of people will be over here. Okay. All children, students having their fun time. So I'm planning something. I'm planning for all these shops. I've met some of them to give them their own website. I interacted with some of them and I told I'll give you a free website, responsive website, your own responsive website. Okay, where you can put your products and people can order it, not just coming over here, but when you start promoting it on free classifieds, people can order it from throughout Bolivia, later South America, or even worldwide. So when I told that, people told, are you giving it free? I told yes, sir. But there will be some prerequisites. So I'm sitting and preparing a Spanish website. So contact and speak to Abhinandan December 8th, 2025. Visit my Facebook page, visit my website, which is there down. Talk to me. Okay. In Bolivia, you can exchange your USDT or any crypto for local currency. They don't ask your passport, no details, nothing. So let me stop right now. Contact and speak to Abhinandan. Visit my website, watch the videos. Okay, and then WhatsApp me on I have a USA number also, but WhatsApp me on my Peru number, which is there here, and then speak to me and join first with $55, around 55 USDT. Okay, I'm going to stop right now. Abhinandan over here, there's a museum over there, and you know what, here's a nice church. So let me stop it right now. Abhinandan here. So contact and speak to me, and I will give you all the details and educate you in detail about how you can start with $55 or $300 or even more. It is left to you. So let me stop right now.